Okay, in this session I'm going to talk to you about how to post your ads in our Worlldprofit's marketplace. Okay, so you click here, it's on the main menu again, just down at the bottom. So you can either browse the marketplace, you can earn credits, you can manage your ads, and you can check your ad status. So inside here you have all these on the bigger tabs. So the marketplace main, that's what this looks like. Okay, so I haven't got anything in at the moment, so you can manage your ads. Again, you just enter your ad here. Obviously I haven't got one, so just show you what this looks like. So that's what it looks like. So you'll put a title, a description and your URL in there and press enter ad. Okay, so that's how you do that, nice and simple. So you can earn credits, because you need to earn credits just like you did in the classified ad section. You can check your ad status here and you can manage your credits to put different credits, a different amount of credits on different ads. Okay, so that's just another place where you can advertise in Worlldprofit for free. So that's the Worlldprofit marketplace. So I'll see you soon with the next session.